Oh, wow.
He looked at me.
Look at that.
I'm very tired.
It's a big bear, isn't it?
Oh my god!
You okay, Henry?
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up.
Hello, everybody. And got another thing to do today. So we're headed, we just got here. We're at the Irvine Park Zoo. I think we're in Chippewa Falls somewhere. Half hour out of the Eau Claire area. And basically it's kind of in this huge park. So let me show you. We got a playground here, and there's some pavilions and things like that. And this looks like where we're headed. So let's go ahead. We're gonna head to the petting zoo and see what they got. So it looks like it's free to enter here, 8 a.m. to dark. So we're just gonna walk in.
I just wanna love you right. Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes.
Barred owl. Oh yeah, look at them up there.
We had a really good time. We came at feeding time. They're very active at feeding time.
Yeah.
Animals.
Barred owl. Medium-sized owl lacking the ear tufts.
Look at that owl.
Oh, way up there.
Yeah.
20 inches tall. 45-inch wingspan.
Look at that.
It's a bear. No,
Nothing in here right now.
This one's empty.
Pied crow. Oh, there he is, up there.
This one right there. The crow up there.
There he goes.
two of them.
He's like, thanks for that song.
Oh, man.
Recognizable by black feathers and white chest and collar.
They're only found in Africa.
Only found in Africa.
Then why are they?
Feeds on insects, mollusks.
Because they brought them here to show to you, so you can see them and experience them. Ooh, a great horned owl.
You see him?
Yeah, right there.
Wow.
Wow. He's pretty cool looking, isn't he?
Isn't that neat, Henry? Can you see it?
Okay, so now we're gonna go
Ready?
to the petting zoo part. Right over here.
There's a horse.
Little miniature horse.
Let's see the horse first.
A horse and a goat. Oh yeah.
And a donkey.
Oh yeah, it's a donkey. Hello, horsey. horse. Got a couple goats. There's a donkey.
There's some sheep right there.
Huh?
Some sheep.
Sheep? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a couple of sheep right there.
Donkey. There's a mama one over there.
Oh, a little goat. Yeah. Got the goat.
There's goats. Goats, I love goats.
I saw goats. Careful, she can bite your hand off.
She probably will.
Hey. Want to pet the donkey, Henry?
If you have a quarter, you can get some food and you can feed them.
Stick your other hand out there.
All right.
Both hands.
There you go.
Okay.
You want a little bit at a time, or what do you want to do?
Oh my gosh.
All right, you're gonna go like
Okay.
this, and you're gonna keep your
You
fingers.
gonna feed him? He's right here. He's asking.
Henry.
Don't give it
Oh
all.
my gosh.
Henry.
Stuff.
You
Henry.
Henry. That
Here,
goat.
go like
He
this.
already had some. No, not him. He already had a snack.
And I was like, I don't know if that's for varsity. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Here, Henry, you have some more.
Want some more? Here, you want some more?
Mom.
Here, put it in your hand. Then put your hand flat. There you go. All right, stick it out flat for him. There you go. Good job. You want to do more? There's some guys over here. Look.
They want food.
Put your hand out.
Hand out. Hold your hand out, Henry.
Just give them a little bit. Some people might want some too.
You want to do it again? You want to do it again?
Here, I'll be
Hold it up flat.
He's like a crazy person.
He's got more. Alright, want to go over this one? Here, go over this one. Stick your hand out flat.
He'll just
Gotta
lick
put
it.
up higher.
Higher.
There you go.
eat all of it.
Yeah.
More? Put your hand flat. I'll dump it in.
Gotta put it up high. No, bring it. No, there you go.
Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare.
You get a good picture.
So feeding the animals is definitely a big bonus. Definitely keeping the kids entertained. And all is free. You just need some quarters.
Yeah.
That's the coolest thing about it.
He'll still eat it, don't worry.
He licks you.
I got Henry this far off the ground.
Look at him, he's like,
Look at that.
oh my goodness.
Both feet are off the ground.
I want to see.
Isn't that great?
There you go.
Okay, so looks like we're gonna head forward here and see what else this is. I don't know if this is part of it or not. There's a little gate here. I see some straw and stuff. So it looks like you get to go in with some animals maybe. Oh yeah, some more animals in here.
Maybe water animals?
Yes, this place keeps giving and giving.
I think it's like water animals or something.
Okay, so let's head in here.
Otters,
Let's see. What do we got in here? Nothing. I see some poop. Definitely some poop there.
Supposed to be a hyena.
A hyena? I mean,
Spotted hyena.
oh, I can see him. He's back in that hole.
Too hot out here right now.
Yeah, so there's a hyena, but he's sleeping. Let's see. Ooh, a Bengal tiger. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. So cool. The Bengal tiger. Mostly India.
Okay. Did you see it, Marshall?
Alright, what else we got here? There's a bear?
Up there with Rose.
It's a bear.
Oh, wow.
Right there.
There's a huge one right there.
Henry.
He looked at me. One of the bears looked at me.
Here, look at that one right there.
Oh my god.
It's a big bear, isn't it?
Oh, he's one right there. Look at that.
He looked at me.
Look, he's right there.
Oh, wow.
He looked at me.
Look at that.
I'm Barry. Hi.
It's a big bear, isn't it?
Oh my god.
You okay, Henry?
He's pretty big.
That's a big bear. Wow. You never thought you'd get so close to a bear for free.
Yeah. That's pretty.
Wow. Looks like they do take donations, so we're definitely going to have to give a little donation or something. Yeah.
Oh, he's sad.
Got a bear there and a bear over there.
They should literally bring them back into the wild.
What?
Butterfly down here. It's
Is it butterfly?
just a butterfly.
Where?
Down there.
On the pool of green pea.
All that room for just that little butterfly right there, huh?
No, it's still the bears.
Oh, it's just the butterfly just
Came
came in, hang out with the bears.
Yeah.
You like the bears? What's your favorite animal?
I think he's drinking a pee. Oh, my favorite animal is the Komodo dragon.
The Komodo dragon? What was your favorite animal you saw here?
Here. The tiger.
The tiger?
Yeah.
Cool. I like the tiger too. The bears are big. Oh, look at them go.
There's actually to go take a swim, I think.
Oh, he's going to go in now.
Here, come up. I can see.
I don't think that is leading him into the water anymore.
Get in the water.
He's gonna roll right in there pretty soon.
Can you go in there? Please, I'll give you money. Get in the water.
Henry, don't pound on the window. Look at
Oh,
Rose.
Rose.
He's shaking his big bum at me.
He's sneaky, isn't he?
What is he doing?
If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
Okay, so went and got some ice cream here, and we'll go see some ducks. Wow, that's some big ducks. Hey, how'd you guys get on the other side of the fence?
No. It's too big to climb.
I think me and Henry are in the exhibit. Look at those ducks. Let's go. Looks like there's some geese, some ducks, and some more goats. Along the river here. There's a bunch more ducks.
See him?
See all the ducks up there?
Over there, Henry? Lots of ducks, huh?
Ooh, look at these ducks. Yeah, there's a goat right here. You want to pet the goat?
Their ears are so fluffy. Be careful. Nice and careful. Oh, what about that one?
Yeah.
He's older.
Some more ducks.
Yeah, horns.
Yeah.
Careful.
See, they see that guy standing out there, they think he's going to throw them.
Be like you and Rosie.
They're like scavengers.
I can feel his spine.
Yeah, it looks like it's
around my
like
house
some
and
hiking and
cool.
stuff up here. There's a big tortoise out there.
Oh, that's a fake tortoise.
Uh,
I thought it was a camel at 1 second.
I thought he was just stretching. Yeah, it's like Toots.
Hey, did you see Toots out there, Henry?
That's not Toots. That's a giant tortoise statue. Toots.
I thought you hadn't seen it.
Yeah, just a huge version. Oh, wait, that's a fountain. I see the fountains.
Oh yeah, it's just not on.
We're going up.
So that is the Irvine, I think, animal sanctuary or zoo or whatever it is. Irvine Park. Is it Irvine Park Zoo?
Yep.
That's the Irvine Park Zoo.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Great spot, especially for something that's free. So, and there's plenty of playgrounds around here, and there looks like some hiking trails. There's plenty more in this park, so definitely, if you come to the area, especially with families, this is the place to go. So, if you like that video, go ahead and drop a like right below. Comment if you got comments or questions, something we did wrong, whatever. And subscribe if you haven't. Until then, we'll see you next time.
Love it till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever.